Hello everyone, this is Kevin from SDM Software. I hope everyone is well. Have you ever wondered what's in a registry.pol file? Do you even know what one is? I'm sure you know what one is. So in group policy, one of the major areas of GP for configuration are these administrative templates. All of the administrative template settings are essentially registry settings. And they store that data when you configure them into a single file called registry.pol. Now there are other extensions that are also writing in here, but for today's purpose, just imagine your admin template settings will be stored in here. You ever wonder what it looks like? I mean, because when I look at these settings, only use package, point, and print. It doesn't really tell me much about what that looks like as raw data in the registry. So when I have a situation where I either need to look at the contents of a registry.pol file, which is ultimately the policy that's being pushed out to your clients, or maybe I have a conflict or I'm troubleshooting and that registry.pol file is replicated and I have to compare. Why is one person getting a different experience than another, or what have you? Anyway, too much of that. So let's look at what's in here. Now, if I'm in sysvol, I'm going to leave that guy open because that's the tool I'm going to show you in just a second. But if I jump out to my domain controller and I look at my different policies, I think this guy here has some machine policy. There's my registry.pol file. This one's super small, simple. If you're using templates that have been imported from like NIST or the Security Compliance Wizard or Security Compliance Manager, you might find larger registry.pol files. This one's pretty simple. But that's it. If it's computer configuration settings that you're doing in the GPO, you'll find it here under the GUID of the GPO and then the machine section. If it's user settings, you'll find it here. Okay, now the tool I want to show you is called Pol Viewer, registry.pol reader. It's a free tool that my colleague, the illustrious Darren Marilia, put together years ago. Anyway, it's super simple. I'm going to browse out to my sysvol. Let's see, sci-dc1, sysvol, psycho.local policies. Where's my GUID? And that's the guy. Machine, and there's my registry.pol. Want to open that up, submit. That's it. Like I said, it's simple. This one, I only have 2 settings in here. But this file and print setting, the registry value is enabled. It's a regd word. The data is. Here I have file and print. There's a registry value called remote address. It's a string. There's nothing in there. So this file that is configuring multiple machines, that's the data that's in there. I mean, it's an incredible free tool. Go to sdmsoftware.com, find under our products or under GPO Guy our free tools, and you'll be able to download it. Anyway, enjoy.